Good morning. This is Miss Evelyn coming from TLE. This is Preschool 1 saying hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Okay, so today we are going to be learning about items or objects that sink and objects that float. Before we get started, let's show the letter sign language for S. What is the sign language for S?
Sign.
All right. And what is our sign language for stop?
Stop.
So stop begins with S and science begins with what? S. And what sound does S make? Okay. So today we're going to start off with our board here. We have plastic, rock, metal, and wood. Everyone will have a turn. So Ayana, I would like for you to pick up the plastic duck. Ayana, will you pick up the plastic duck, please? Pick it up, Ayana, and put it, the duck, right here, sweetheart, and put it in the water. Put it in the water. Let it go. Let your hand go, please. Let it go. So does the duck sink or float?
Float.
It floats. Okay, so we're going to put a mark right here. All right, and that's plastic. Let's see. Rock. Finn, will you please pick up the rock? Come around here, Finn. Finn, does it, put it in the water. Let's see. Does the water, oh, okay. Now, we're going to take it out, and we're going to put it, is it floating or did it sink?
It sinks.
It sunk. So we can't put it in this one. We have to put it in this one. So Finn, come over here. Take it out. And put it in the sink. Very good. Let's see. Do it again. Put it in the sink so I can take your picture. Go ahead. Let's see, Finn. Good. Now, Ayana, we have a duck and it's floating. Will you take the duck and put it in the float? Take it out and put it over here because that is our floating bin. Okay, very good. So the rock sunk and the duck float. Let's see. Aubrey, will you please pick up the metal spoon? Pick up the metal spoon, Aubrey. Do you think it's going to sink or float?
Sink.
Okay, so let's put it in there. Let's see what happens. Very, very good, Aubrey. It sunk. Very good. Let's see. Carissa, will you please pick up the plastic fork? Thank you. Carissa, do you think it's going to sink or float?
Sink.
Now this is sink. It goes to the bottom here. Hold it. Let's see. And this is float. Which one would you? What do you think it's going to do? Sink or float, boys and girls?
Sink.
Okay. Let's see what happens. Put it in there. Uh-oh. What happened? Did it sink or float?
Float.
So let's put it over here. Very good. Cameron, will you get the block of wood, please? Do you think it's going to sink or float? Oh, it floated, didn't it? Very good. Carissa, excuse me, I'm sorry. Karina, will you get the ball, please? Do you think the ball is going to sink or float?
No.
Let's see. And it does. Very good. And the reason why, okay, thank you, Karina. Excuse me. Thank you. The reason why the rock and the metal went to the bottom is sunk is because the rock is heavy.
Yeah.
And the metal is heavy as well. Okay? Now, with the floating, we have our plastic duck, we have our wood, and we have our ball. They are light. So they are the same weight like the water. Water is very light. Okay? So that's why the boys and girls, hands to your side, please. Hands to your side. Hands to your side, please. That's why the ball, the duck, and the block of wood floated. But what do we have down at the bottom? What is that? A fork. That is a fork. So is the fork floating? Pay attention,
No.
please, Ayana.
It's sinking.
The fork is sinking. So, Finn, come get the fork. Should it be in float or sink?
Sink.
Take it out, Finn. Very good. Please. Stop. Put it in. Okay. Oh, it's floating.
Oh, sinking.
It's sinking. Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
Right? Okay.